Good morning, Primary 5. I hope all of you stay safe and also your families. Let's start our revision part 1 on Unit 1 Natural Numbers. First, I want you to remember some points. Number 1, the set of even numbers represented by capital E equals 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. This dots means so on. It is an infinite set. Has no end. Okay. Number 2 is a set of odd numbers represented by capital O equals 1, 3, 5, and so on. Is an infinite set. Number 3 is a set of prime numbers represented by capital P equals 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. First, what is the meaning of prime numbers? Prime numbers means number whose factors itself and number 1 only. Like 7. What times what equals 7? Nothing, except 7 times 1. 1 and itself. So 7 is prime number. 11. What is the factors of number 11? 11 and itself only. So 11 is prime number. Okay, the set of prime numbers is an infinite set, which is mean has no end. Number 4, the set of counting numbers, represented by capital C, equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Counting numbers, which is mean numbers I can count it. Okay, so I start from number 1. It is an infinite set, has no end also. The set of natural numbers represented by capital N equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Don't forget starting from 0. Natural numbers starting from 0, and it is an infinite set. Don't forget natural numbers doesn't contain decimals, okay? And it is a mother set. So, even numbers subset from natural numbers. Odd number subset from natural numbers. And prime numbers subset from natural numbers. And counting number subset of natural numbers. Subset from or subset of, which is mean part of. Okay? Here, underline the natural numbers from the following numbers: 15, 6.2, 0, 417, 4 over 5, 0.7, and 93,424. 15 is natural number because it isn't decimal. 6.2 not natural number. 0, yes, natural number. 417 is natural number also. 4 over 5 is not natural number because it will be decimal. 0.7 not natural number. 93,424, yes, is natural number. Lesson 2. The number line. What is the meaning of number line? Number line is a straight line contain numbers such that the distance between any two consecutive points is equal. Okay, like here, I started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. You can stop at any point you want. Example. Represent each the following two sets on the number line. Number A, X, it is the name of set, equals 1, 3, 4, 6. Okay, this set has starting point and ending point. Okay, and it 1, 3, 4, 6. So I will represent these numbers on the number line like this: 1, 3, 4, and 6. Okay. Number B. Y, it is the name of set, equals 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. What is the meaning of these dots? Which is mean so on, has no end. And I represent these dots by arrow, like here. So I started from 4, put point on 4, 5, put point on 5, 6, put point on 6, 7, put point on 7, and these dots represent our means arrow, which is will continue. Number 3, set of even numbers. We said before, even numbers equals 0, 2, 4, 6, and so on. So I will start from 0. I will put point on 0 and 2 and 4 and 6, 8, and so on. What is the meaning of so on, or how I can represent it on number line? I draw an arrow like here, which is mean has no end. Number D. Z equals, it is the name of set, equals A. A, it is element. A belong to natural numbers. A greater than or equals 3. A is greater than or equals 3. Okay, so I will put points on 3 and numbers greater than 3, which is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. I represent so on by an arrow, like here. Don't forget, you must start from 3. Why? Because this sign, which is mean greater than or equal 3, equals 3, which is mean I will start from 3. Lesson 3, operation on natural numbers. In this lesson, you must know some properties of operations. First, the properties of addition. Number A, closure property. What is the meaning of closure property? If I said 3 plus 4 equals 7, if 3 belongs to natural number and 4 belongs to natural number, so its result will be 7 belong to natural number also. It is the closure property. Okay? If A belong to natural numbers and B also belong to natural number and I make addition both of them, so the answer will be belong to natural numbers. Number B, commutative property. What is the meaning of commutative property? Commutative property, which is mean I can exchange in terms of the equation. Like here, if I said A plus B equals B plus A, okay? Or 3 plus 4 equals 4 plus 3 without changing the result. Number C, associative property. What is the meaning of associative property? Associative property means I can change the place of brackets. I can change the place of brackets without change the result. Like here, if I said A plus B and close the bracket plus C equals A plus open brackets B plus C. Okay, what are you notice? I noticed that I changed the place of the brackets, okay, without changing the result. Example, brackets 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 2 plus open brackets 3 plus 4. Okay, 2 plus 3 equals 5. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Okay, so the left term here equals 9. But 2 plus 3 plus 4, I do brackets first. Okay, don't forget. Okay, 3 plus 4 equals what? 7. 7 plus 2 equals 9. So the left side here equals the right side here equals 9. Okay, number D, additive identity. What is the meaning of additive identity property? Means if I add 0 to any number, the result will be the same number. Okay, so 0 is an additive neutral element. It is very important. 0 is an additive neutral element which it doesn't change the result or answer. Like here, 7 plus 0 equals 0 plus 7 equals 7. So here 0 doesn't change the result which is 7. Second, the properties of subtraction. It is very small. Subtraction, in subtraction you must know that I start our equation from the bigger number. Okay, so if I said 5 minus 2 equals what? Equals 3. Yes, 3 belongs to natural numbers because I start my equation from bigger number which is 5. But here, if I said 2 minus 5, no, the result will not belong to natural numbers. So if I start with a smaller number, the result will not belong to natural numbers. Third, properties of multiplication. It is the same properties of addition. Okay. Number one, closure property. The product of two natural numbers is a natural number. Okay. Example, 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 belong to natural numbers and 4 also belong to natural numbers. So their product, which is 12, belong to natural numbers. Number B, commutative property, which is mean I can exchange terms of equation. A times B will be equal B times A without changing the answer. Like 3 times 4 equals 12 equals 4 times 3. I exchange the terms without changing the answer. Number C, associative property. Associative property means I change the place of brackets without changing the result. Like if I said 2 times 3 times 4 equals, I will put brackets between 2 and 3. 2 times 3 equals what? 6. 6 times 4, 24. Okay? Here, I will change the place of brackets. I will put it around 3 and 4. Okay? 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 times 2 equals 24. So the answer doesn't change from the left side and the right side. Number D, multiplicative identity. 1 is a multiplicative neutral element, which is mean if I make any number times 1, the result will be the same number. Like 1 times 5 equals 5 times 1 equals 5. Okay, 5 doesn't change because 1 is a multiplicative neutral element. Fourth and finally, the properties of division. Take care, if I make 0 divided any number, it will be 0. 0 over any number, the answer will be 0. And I know that 0 belongs to natural numbers. Okay, but if I make the 0 in denominator, the result will be no meaning and not belong to natural number. Like here, 7 over 0 is error or no meaning, so it not belong to natural number. Okay, I finished and I hope all you awful and goodbye.